What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish back with another POV. And in this POV right here, I apologize ahead of time for being so late on the upload. But also the reason why I was so late is because I was having a hard time with editing this video because I have a heads-up display, so it was very hard to like blur out my driving and some of these clips. So if y'all see like too much blur or it's excess blur, just know it's because I was having a hard time. But I will work on it in the near future. But with that being said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this POV.
Thank you.
Appreciate that, boss. All right, got our water. Ooh. Nice little water, man. But, hey, man, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish. Back with another POV. As y'all can see, man, we got our 340 out today. You know what I'm saying? I see y'all been going crazy on the videos, man. Y'all telling me to keep posting. So y'all want me to keep posting, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure I do all those things. But appreciate that. But yeah, make sure y'all liking the video, commenting, and subscribing, man, because we gonna be consistent, bro. I plan to drop at least 3 times a week for y'all. So the more love I get on these videos, the more I post. You feel me? I can also do POVs every day if you want me to. It just depends. But y'all let me know, man. Let's get in my car. Don't mind my car too. It's a little messy up in here because I just got stuff everywhere in here. All type of camera equipment. Oh, let me give y'all a little startup. Let's see. There we go. It's a little start. But yeah, my car a little junky, so don't mind it too much. But right now I'm about to go ahead to drop off mic, which is in here somewhere. Oh, my mic. My cousin, he's doing a stream. He's been streaming on Twitch, like playing 2K, and he asked me if I had an extra mic. And y'all know I'm a streamer myself, so I actually have another mic, and this is an extra, so I'm letting him use this for now until he get his own setup. And then I will be getting my mic back because this mic was not cheap. I think it was like $60, I think. But that's besides the point. I'm letting him borrow it. I would like it back. But it's a little hot. Let me get some water. Let's start this POV. I'm gonna just double check that everything on my footage wise looks good. And then we're gonna hit the road. All right, y'all. I have to verify my footage, make sure everything is good, and it is all right. So now I'm about to head over there to give my cousin his give him my mic to use. But yeah, man, if y'all want more POVs, man, y'all gotta show love, man. Y'all gotta show love. Like, I really could be consistent and drop every single day for y'all, literally, because I do that on my main channel. My main channel, I drop videos every day for them. Like, they have not missed a day in the last 3 months. They have not missed a single day of me uploading. That could be all too, but it just depends on how much love I get on this channel. Let me turn the window down a little bit. I could have went, but I don't know why I just sat here for that long. Okay. Good to go. Start off like that. But man, whew, I've been grinding, man. I've really been grinding. Like, for those of y'all that are watching, one of my goals with this channel here is to, like, eventually, you know what I'm saying, grow a huge, like, support system for from people that love cars. You know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all love cars, that's what I really want this channel to be about. Because like, at first, when I first started this channel, it was going to be strictly like POVs. When I'm like POVs of me like doing anything like vlog wise, which I probably could do I could do that with my car. Like I could do like a car POV, but also give y'all like a little mini vlog. I don't know if y'all like that. Y'all let me know, cause that's what my plans originally was with this channel. But once I started posting truck content on here, I was like, I might as well just do strictly car POVs. You know what I'm saying? Of me just driving. But if y'all want like car vlogs, I mean, I can give y'all that. But might be a little too noisy. But this is like the perfect day to be driving on the freeway today, because there's not that much traffic. Like I told y'all too, I seen a comment. Somebody was saying that they want to see me do more pulls. I would love to do more pulls, but the only thing with that is, like I told y'all, I got my CDL, so I don't be trying to drive too crazy. Like I'll give y'all a little small pull here and there, but as far as seeing me go 100+ miles per hour, that's not me at all. Man, this is so therapeutic too. Like, I just love listening to my turbos. I'm not sure if I can hear the turbos that good, probably because there's so much wind, but I love listening to my turbos. All right, here would be a perfect time for me to do a pull, but I'd rather not. There y'all go. I'll be back to cruising now. Yes, we use our turn signals. I be getting a lot of people like I watch other POV channels that drive BMWs, The whole comment section is another BMW not using turn signals. I use mine. It's a must. Why are they following me so closely? this guy. Hey, boss got scared. He started ducking. Get up here. There we go. Whew. All right, y'all. And sadly, man, this was a quick one. This right here will really pretty much conclude this POV right here. It was real quick. Wasn't nothing too crazy. I gave y'all like a little smidget pulls. But if y'all want more, I'm telling y'all, bro, if y'all want more POVs, man, make sure y'all spamming and y'all smashing that subscribe button. Make sure y'all smashing that like button. Make sure y'all sharing y'all thoughts in the comments. I'm getting ready to do more mods. I'm getting ready to actually take this rep off and like do a full, like, complete build. You know what I'm saying? Because all it has right now is all it has right now is an MHD tune stage 2 with a catalyst and a down pipe. I mean, a catalyst down pipe, a charge pipe. Let me show y'all under the hood real quick what's under here as of now, so y'all can see. So it just has a CTS turbo, a charge pipe, a catalyst down pipe, and that's it. And an MHD tune. I'm on CNR springs. I got the super wheels with the spinning caps, as y'all can see right here, spinning caps. Got the spinning caps and a matte back wrap. That's it. But I'm getting ready to take the wrap off. I'm also gonna take the super wheels off too, and I'm gonna put them up. I'm probably gonna go all black, and my next wrap that I'm gonna do is gonna be crazy, man. So that's why I need y'all to spam that sub button, spam the like button, because we coming hard, bro. We coming hard to the end of this year and next year, man. So yeah, with that being said, man, I love y'all. Make sure y'all turn on them noties, and I'll see you on the next one, man. Your boy Fish out. Peace.